Hello, my name is Roger Pettersson. I'm the Senior Director of Core for IGT. I'm really excited to share Samurai 888 with you today. We have Samurai 888 Katsumi right here in front of me, and we also have a partner title called Samurai 888 Takeo. This is an 88-cent cost to cover, very traditional with a lot of the Asian games in the marketplace. But what's nice about this game, we have a 138 bridge bet here to kind of soften the bet structure for the player as they go up the button panel. We have 4 bets on the lower end, 88 cents to 288, that share the lower jackpots of 10, 30, and 258, and you have the big jackpot of 8,000 that's shared across all bets. Once you go up to the 388 bet and 588 and 888, you qualify for a bigger mini, minor, and major of $50, $150, and $800, and then still you have the $8,000 grand that is across all bet structures. So a lot of ways to win in this game from a jackpot and really kind of give the players the ability to wager up to have an opportunity to win jackpots that are meaningful to them. Again, in this game, it's a very contemporary Asian game with the 3-pot bonus features. And obviously what you're after here is to trigger one of these coins in the base games that corresponds with these pots. Once you get the coin, it will fly up to the pots, and you're hoping to trigger one of these pots to get into the free games feature. And in a perfect world, you want to get 2 of these coins to trigger a combo feature, or all 3 coins at the same time to trigger that super feature of all 3 bonuses happening at the same time. So these 3 features combine of the coin boots, which is kind of like a cash on reel, a dollar value, instant pay. You have the reel boots, which is an extended reel, free games, and then you have the jackpot free games where you get these chests to collect gems that correspond with these various jackpots to win the one of these 4 jackpots. So I'm going to trigger the super feature, if you will, where you actually play all these 3 jackpots or features at one time and show you what that looks like. Here we get the 3 coins, 1 for each pot. They all trigger. So now we get 10 free games. And we have all 3 features in place. We have the extended reel. We have the chests, as you can see here, with the gems that go up into the various jackpots. And then we have these cash on reels where our instant pay coin values. Just like that. There's also this green coin you see here. The green coin is a really good part of this game where it actually boosts the coin value for the instant pays, and it also gives you an extra free games every time that happens. It's a few more coins. You see, there's a lot going on in this free games. You got you're looking for the instant coin pay features. You're looking for the chest to win one of these jackpots, and at the same time, you have this expanded reel that can really give you some really powerful wins from a line win perspective as well. So there's a lot of different ways to win in this feature. It's a really true gambling experience. And there we go. We just triggered the mini jackpot, and we still have some of these other jackpots in play, and we can actually re-trigger the mini again. We have 3 more spins to go. And we won the mini. So now we see you can actually win, like we did in this case, you can win the mini multiple times. In this case, we won the mini and the minor, and now we're still in play for the major and the grand, or re-triggering one of the smaller jackpots again. So just because you won 1 jackpot doesn't mean you're completely out for the rest of the bonus. All right, we ended up winning the mini again. A few minis, a minor, and we have some good base wins and some good coin value wins as well. So it's a pretty good bonus so far. And that's the end of the bonus. We're betting $1.38, a little over $120. So really nice win. Really like the way this game plays. A lot of variety, very, very simple and effective gambler style Asian game, and just really excited to get this out on your casino floors. Again, this is Samurai 88, Katsumi, and Takeo. Thank you.